Welcome to the channel. Want to build your own website, but don't know how to code? Let me show you how to create a personal portfolio website using artificial intelligence. No design skills, no coding, and yes, completely free. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to Doric.com. Click on Try it free. Now you can see there is predefined templates. And also, if you want to create on your own, then click on Create from Scratch button. If you want to build it with AI, then click on Create Site using AI. For this video, I'm using AI. So I'm clicking on Create Site using AI. You'll see a simple box asking you to describe your website and enter Gmail type, your Gmail ID, and type something like a personal portfolio site for a freelance graphic designer. Include about me, projects, contact form, and testimonials. Then click Generate Website. In just a few seconds, the AI builds a complete website with all the sections ready to go. You get a hero banner, an about section, a portfolio or project showcase, and even a contact form, all customized based on your prompt. You can now click on any text and change it. Add your name. Change the colors. Upload your photo or logo. Want to change the layout? Use the sidebar to move or delete sections. It's all drag and drop. No code. No stress. Once you're happy with the design, click Publish to launch your site. On the free plan, you get a .doricsite.com domain. You can also connect a custom domain. Everything is lightning fast. That's it. Your own personal website, built with AI in under a minute. Like and subscribe if you want more AI tools to save time and grow online. See you in the next one.